There we go, finally. I'm gonna go close. There's that yellow alarm bleeping away. Yeah. Trying to get the Yo alarm's information. That's a Yo 3 Yo alarm, yeah. Then I might get that side, yeah. There's the Unipart Rail logo. Now on the above it's also made by Unipart Rail. All 7 of these are. Yep, there's that train. It's another Great Western Railway service. Yeah, this is a 2 trains in 1 closure. There's last time. Can't see the number yet. This one's going to either Paignton or Exeter St David's. The one that's coming this way hasn't come yet. Yeah, I think this one's to Paignton. Yeah, that one's just pulled in at the station. Yeah, that's a better spot for the CCTV cameras, I reckon. This, the 4th level crossing I filmed today, which is pretty cool. You have to thank my dad for all this. I live really far away, and here it is, here's the other one. Yeah, this one's going to Exmouth, definitely. So we got 1587.63 to Exmouth. To 4336.12 to, oh, it says Paignton on that side for some reason. This one's going to Paignton and that one's going to Exmouth. I remembered when I came in last time, I was getting drenched by the rain, but today, total opposite. Very nice and sunny. Sun there, look. It's a good day for coming to level crossings. This one's just coming out. We've got 1436.03 to Paignton. To 152.63 and up they go. Yeah, I think I'll show that side as well. And yes, if I do, see you on the next side, on the other side.